Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is my Spooktober week 1 look. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look, and if you're interested in how I achieved this and in a super new technique, old new technique I tested out, keep on watching. Alright y'all, so in addition to my Spooktober looks, I want to show you guys different techniques or products just to test some stuff out. So this is the Milk of Magnesia. I'm pretty sure this is what people used to use back in the day as primer.
No sir, not me.
I say back in the day, but a few, maybe early 2000s, early 2010s, they used to use this as primer, and some people still use it. I'm pretty sure it's Milk of Magnesia. If it's not this, I don't know the name of it, but I thought it was this, so we gonna try it out. And they say it's not, you're not supposed to do it because it's not really good for your skin, so it's frowned upon in the makeup, in the makeup world. But some makeup artists swear by it. So I don't know if you're supposed to shake this. It don't smell like nothing. Okay, I'm just gonna use this putty brush from e.l.f. Y'all see that? It's kind of thick. Oh, we gonna try it. And I was told, it's supposed to dry down white. Alright, so this is our primer for today. I mean, it makes sense why people would use it, because if it turns your face white, it's kind of like priming the wall. It's, you know, giving you kind of an even platform to work with. It's an interesting texture, I'll say that much. Kalito sent me this little fan. Now, if this don't dry down white, it means I got the wrong product, but I'm pretty sure this is it. This is nice and cooling. Feel like a mask. Oh, it is dry and white. I think this is the right thing, y'all. My face is getting tight, but with this fan, it feels so cooling. This feels so good. I'm fine. Slim waist, pretty face. He know I'm a dime. Can't lay up with no, cause I do not have the time, and I can't cop no. If you think I'ma sweat you, you watch your. This is not a Spooktober look. It's just makeup, y'all. I can't do the spooky spook. And then the orange glitter I got, it have green reflux, so it don't even be looking orange. So I'm just giving y'all looks. This a Hallelujah Fest look. This for the Jordan River. It represents baptism. Hey! Baptize you! That's what this the Hallelujah Fest. Not Spooktober, the Hallelujah Tober. Ale. This for the Lord. This for the Lord. Okay, we pretty much dry. We about dry. Just got this little spot here and this little spot here. I do wanna back it up. Let me back y'all up real quick. This is what we looking like. Face is painted. Okay, I really shouldn't be trying no new foundations since I'm trying a new technique. Alright, so we gonna use the Huda Beauty in Cinnamon 440G. I'm gonna pump it on the back of my hand and then brush it on. Here we go. What is it giving? Is it giving? I feel like as I'm pressing it in, it's kind of dusting off a little bit, or it dries kind of powdery, like to a powder almost. Okay, so I do see why people do this, because like it is full coverage. I feel like your foundation, specifically that Huda Beauty foundation, which is a full coverage foundation, it just sticks right to it. Like my face feels like, I don't know if that's a good description, but that's how my face feels. For concealer, I'm just gonna use my Born This Way Too Faced concealer in Butterscotch. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit while I go ahead and bronze the face a little bit. And I think I'm gonna use, let's bust out the Juvia's Place stick in Zambia that I used to use all the time. It's just always the perfect color, the perfect shade. It never do too much for me. This is definitely more of a bronzer like shade because it warms the face up, versus like I feel like when you contouring, it's giving more shadow, more of a gray or ash undertone. But for this, I think it's perfect for bronzing. Okay, the concealer is giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving, okay, it's giving full coverage. It's giving red carpet. Baby, it's giving ain't moving in 48 hours. It's giving stuck in traffic. All right, now let's set. I don't think we're gonna do any liquid blush. I think we're gonna do powder blush. We're gonna go ahead and set this under eye. Lately, I've been using my like puffy puff, what these things called? My powder puff to set under my eye. I just feel like I gotta set heavy with this because the face feels like cake, okay? It's giving Ace of Cakes, like it is giving all of the cake in the bakery. I am gonna press into my Fenty Beauty press powder just to kind of clean up under here without it looking too light, because this is my skin tone shade. So that's just gonna help us clean up this contour. I'm gonna use this around the mouth and up until under the cheeks, and then a little bit on the forehead. And now from here, I'm gonna add a little blush. I'm thinking like a soft pink maybe. We're gonna go with this. This is my Sephora Pro palette, and I'm gonna go in with this orange like shade called After Party for blush. And hopefully my blush brush don't have too much red left on it, but we gonna go into After Party and add that. And then we gonna hit the nose too, because I've been liking the little sun-kissed kind of sunburnt look. And now we gonna start dusting off the excess powder. First, I'm going in with a clean brush to dust this off. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, she's giving snatch. I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush and just kind of blend out this line. This is something that I always like forget to like go back and blend everything together so it's not looking harsh. Then when I be editing the videos, I be seeing like harsh lines and stuff. So you always want to make sure you kind of remember to go back in and blend with that foundation brush. And right now, I think we look pretty flawless. I forgot to highlight my brow bone, so I'm gonna do that. And then we also need to do a little bit of work on the lower lash line just to complete the eye. And this highlighter is from Kalitos. It's just like a blue iridescent like shade. And then I just took a clean brush and kind of diffused it down. So we're gonna add a little bit of the blue highlight to the cheeks, like that. And then I'm also gonna like roll that down a little bit with my foundation brush to kind of blend it. And then I'm gonna take my Fenty, this is the Diamond Balm palette. I'm gonna take Fussy and put that on the cheeks as well. Okay, so before I spray my face, I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line, and I think I'm just gonna do a light blue, or should we do a darker blue and do teardrops? Should we do a dark blue and teardrops? I'm gonna get a small little brush and go into that blue and do a little thing on the inside. We go in with the lighter blue. So I'm just using my dry clean from Sephora collection and using the same brush and using my Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. This is so old. And just like blending a lighter blue in. I think you do like a pop of silver. Pop of silver? Or no, I know exactly what I want to do. I think we're gonna do a pop of Cosmic Rose from Mercier, and that is their light catcher powder. I think that looks cool. And then we just put some black liner in the waterline, and we can use our Fenty Beauty, what is it called, a fly pencil? Yeah, we'll use the fly pencil, and cause I'm black, put that in the waterline. Okay, so let me spray my face because it's tight. I'm gonna just use, I have the Stay Spray from Tarte out, so I'm just gonna use that. It's giving cucumber melon fresh. We can use my Rare Beauty one. I'm gonna take Foxy from Mented Cosmetics and line my lippy lips. Okay, and then we're gonna top it. I have Kalitos lip beads that I got. Let's try Sienna. Let's see what it looks like. That was a really good match with that lip liner. Should I put a little bit of a lighter color in the inside so it's like not like dramatic? Lip up to no good. Should I try that? Boom, put a dash of Up to No Good, the Fenty Mademoiselle. I think this is our look. Let me give y'all some hair action. My hair look a mess. I did a perm rod set, and then I worked game day, and it looks like this. This is day 2 too, so you know the struggle is real. But get into it. All right, well, that's all, folks. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just me playing in my makeup, giving you guys week 1 Spooktober look / Hallelujah Fest baptism look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you want more videos, I'm gonna do a look every week this month. So that's what's on the schedule. I hope you guys enjoy these looks, enjoy the TikToks, reels, all of that stuff. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss an upload. Like this video, comment below what you want to see next, what colors I should do next. Give me inspo in the comments. I love y'all so very much. Thank you for tuning in. I will see y'all in the next video. But before that, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tiffle. Bye, guys. It's giving. Yes.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.